Hello everyone, welcome back to another video, and in this video today I'm going to teach you how to buy and equip server accolades. So, let's get into it. So, if you do know how to buy a server accolade and just want to know how to equip it, just go to the timeline and just scroll across it. It will say buying. It will say buying server accolade and equipping it. So yeah, just go to that and I'll meet you there. So for those who don't know how to buy it, what you want to do is go to T!shop or whatever the server that you're in has as a preview for Tatsu. And we want to buy Accolade in the server shop. So see here, server shop. It has a number 2 next to it. So type the number 2. And as you see, we have an Accolade here. You just type 1. And then if you wanna pick how many you get from it, you can, if you want 8. But you can equip it multiple times. So there's really no need to 8. And once you have that, just type how many you want, 1, and then type confirm, okay? Now, I would buy it, but I already have it. So once you buy it, it will say you've unlocked it. Editor's note here, I realized I never said how to buy it. So once you type how many accolades you want, or whatever, how much you want, you just need to type confirm, and then you'll have the item, you will have bought it. Also, you should subscribe, like only 4.8% are subscribed, like what the actual But if we exit this, go to T inventory. Oh, there we go. And then go to your server inventory because you bought something from a server. You will see, well, it's there. But let me, okay. Why did I make this like? Okay, so we picked number 3. Right, so if you go to the accolade that you bought, it'll say usable false. And you might think you got scammed, so how do you use it? But what you have to do is you have to go to Tatsu's website. I don't know if there's a way to do it with commands, but I think, in my opinion, it's just easier to go to the website. So to get to their website, you just do tatsu.gg, and then go to servers, and then go to the server that you bought the accolade in. And then you will see your rank card or your wallet card. I think it also works on wallet card, but I'm just going to go to your rank card. Then as you see here, rank card preview, and then down here it says equip accolades. And guess what happens if you press on this? You get this off too. And then just wait a second and it'll pop up here. So you see that there. If I wanted to add another one for some reason, I could do that as well. Oh, never mind. I thought it was duplicated before because I was able to add 2, but I guess I just bought 2. So yeah, and then you also get rid of it by just clicking on it and like that. So, if you want to check it, you just go to the website, exit this first, and then go to T exclamation mark rank. My keyboard isn't doing very well at the moment. Okay, and then it'll pop up here. And if I did 2, so just click this again, go kabam, and it might not update straight away, but let's see if it does. Oh, cool down. 5 seconds, so we wait. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Why is my enter button not working? Okay, then we'll see you have 2. So that's it for buying and equipping your server accolade. If you found this video helpful, then subscribe down below. I looked at this yesterday, 4.6% or 4.8%. Like, what the heck?